Hello and welcome back to Trey B.N. Cooking, Christmas edition. Now today's a little different. Unlike in the last video that you saw, I won't be making a turkey. In fact, I'm not making a ham. I'm not making any dinner foods. Today I'm making a marble vanilla and chocolate cake. And I have to hurry because my grandfather will be pulling up. This is actually his birthday cake. And I don't have much time, so I've got to get going. Now, I'm using Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix, vanilla and chocolate. Now the box says that I have to use, let's see here. This actually says 1 cup water, 1/4 vegetable oil, 3 eggs for the vanilla. But it says 1/2 cup vegetable oil for the chocolate. But here's the thing though. When I'm making a marble cake, I found out online that when making a marble, you want to use all of the vanilla, but only half of the chocolate batter. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make the vanilla in one bowl batter, and I'm going to make the chocolate in another bowl. So I'm going to very carefully open this because we just had our kitchen clean. Very, very carefully get this open. Okay. So, here's the final, well not the final result, but here's the last result before it goes into the oven. So the oven is preheated to 325. Now I'm just going to put this in the oven. I'm going to put it in for, I'd say 30 minutes. Because it called for 28 to 33. I think 30 is a good medium. So I will come back when it's done.